Hello everyone. In this video we'll walk through how to add your email to Outlook for iOS. Assuming you already have Outlook already installed from the App Store, click on the Outlook app to open. If this is the first time connecting your account, you'll be greeted with an Add Account screen. Enter your email address. And then your password. No need to add an account at this time, so we'll select Maybe Later. Go ahead and enable notifications so Outlook can alert you of emails and events. Now we'll add a shared mailbox which our test user has permissions. Tap in the top left the icon representing your inbox, and then tap the envelope with the plus sign to add an inbox. Select Add Shared Mailbox. In the pop-up, add the email address for the shared mailbox and select Add Shared Mailbox. Now when you create a new message, you can select between the primary inbox and the shared mailbox to choose the sending address. I trust this was helpful. Make it a great day.